Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the SNR ABS sensor used in the video through the link in the description. Typical symptoms of a faulty ABS sensor are the appearance of the ABS ESP warning lights on the dashboard, and after a fault search, the diagnosis will indicate a problem with the front wheel speed sensor. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the ABS sensor on your vehicle, you must lift the front of the car and remove the wheels to gain complete access. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle, and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, racing your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off both wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. Turn the disc inwards. This will facilitate the process. This will allow you to see the ABS sensor. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the tab of the ABS sensor connector and remove it. To maximize your chances of removing the ABS sensor retaining screw, hammer in a 5mm Allen socket to use the full depth of the indentation. Then unscrew the screw. The ABS sensor is very often seized up in its location. Don't hesitate to spray it with degreaser to facilitate its removal. Then, using a pair of pliers, try to release it by making gentle back and forth movements. Unfortunately, it is very common for the sensor to break in its housing. If this happens, we recommend watching the video Change the Front Axle Bearing Golf 6, which will give you access to the broken part of the sensor and allow you to remove it easily and in a clean manner. Before installing the new sensor, we recommend that you clean the sensor area thoroughly using fine sandpaper and compressed air.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the SNR ABS sensor used in the video through the link in the description. Get the new ABS sensor. Insert it into its housing. Then screw it back in. Don't hesitate to spray contact cleaner on the connectors. Then reconnect the sensor. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.